Hey guys, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. I have DeStash box number 9. And so this box includes about 9 12 by 12 paper pads and one 8.5 by paper pad along with several other items. In totality, the box is going to be about 10 to 15, well, it's 15 pounds. It is a size of 14 by 14 by 4. And the contents along with the shipping, I am charging $65 for the box. Now, I can't get around the shipping for the box. So I've included it in the price. And within the description of this video, there's going to be a link for you to purchase it along with a discount for you to apply at the checkout because it's already built into the box. I want to caution you of something. 1, the contents of the box are the contents of the box. 2, should you try to use the discount code without purchasing the contents of this box, the discount code is going to force you to purchase items up to the price of the box. I had to go ahead and do that. I'm sure you crafters can think about it and wonder why, but that is what's going to happen. So first and foremost, I thank you all for tuning in to Paper Peas. And here's the contents of this particular DeStash box. All right, one of the first items is going to be DCWV's Gilded Gray. It is a premium stack. These are the pages within this particular pad. Very nice pad. These are the pages on the back. Very nice, okay? It's going to be DCWV's die cut shapes. I'm going to turn it over on the side. These are all of the die cuts. Because they are die cuts, I don't want to just flip through the pad and pull them apart from the page. These are very nice, okay? I am including Red Promenade. Whenever I do DeStash boxes, typically I am going to include Red Promenade and the neutrals. My reason for doing so is, as a crafter, I know a lot of times we need those background pages. And these two hues tend to support what we are working on. I'm including Delilah. This is more on the paper side of things. I will be candid, this is a very nice paper pad. I've used it myself in several other things, but it is a very nice paper pad. It's not 67 pounds, but it is nice. I will reiterate, it is a very nice paper pad. It's 37 pounds. I am including Marble cardstock paper pad. This is a nice paper pad. In fact, to be candid with you, all of these paper pads are very nice, okay? I am including, as a final 12 by 12, I am including Adventure. I am including French Prep. This is one of the nicest paper pads, okay? I'm also including Primary Geometrics. This is a 8.5 by 11. So whoever purchases this, you're getting 8 12 by 12s, one 8.5 by 11. I'm including creative coloring, would be me. I'm including creative coloring reverse. This, although this is quote unquote a coloring book, honestly, in my opinion, these are some scrapbook pages that reflect multiple watercolor pages. A lot of us, well, I intend to deconstruct the book that I'm saving for myself, but I am including this. Then I am including the stickers, Joyful Notes set of stickers. I am including this Bow Bunny set of acrylic stamps. I am including this Bow Bunny set of layered chipboard stickers. This Park Lane set of acrylic stamps. This DIY shop set of bows. This brother and sister, basically Hobby Lobby set of gift tissue. There are 8 in here. They're 20 by 20. These can be used for decoupage, multiple things. And I'm including this Happy Planner set of stickers. In addition, I am including this EK Tools large pump, this tag punch. Okay? So all of these items in totality are $65. The link to purchase is going to be in the description. The discount code to remove shipping from the website is going to be in the description. Once again, it's $65. The content are the content. And should you try to use the discount code with any other item on the website, it is going to require you to purchase up to $65 before the discount code can be applied. If there are any questions or comments, by all means, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I will respond to you as quickly as possible. As always, thank you so much for tuning into Paper Peas. Be safe. Take care.